Just to let you know, I will never call them air springs again. I've always called them airbags. Well, I've been proven right. You want to know how I've been proven right? Watch this video. Alright, I never knew. I'm sure a lot of you guys out there already knew. Okay, I never cared. I never dealt with it. I never messed around with the stuff. But this time I decided, you know what? Why not? Let me go look. Let me have a look see. Let's see what I can come up with. Let's see what I can find. Okay, let's just, curiosity. That's what you do, right? So, I jumped in there and found out the truth, found out the facts, and I'm wondering now why in the hell are they charging $85, $95, $105 for each of these things? Okay, why? I don't understand it. And Westar, I'm telling you, within a year of installing these Westar air bags, not air springs, but within a year of installing Westar air bags, they started leaking and sagging again. I used to have to go out and fire it up to fill them back up, and it would last 25 minutes and it would be back down on its ass again. Okay? These air bags are pieces of garbage. If you've got an air ride suspension in an old vehicle, get rid of the shit. Alright? Get rid of it. Put in coils. Alright? It's not difficult. Email me. Message me here if you want advice on how to do it. I know, I just did it. Alright? I know what's going to happen. I know how it's going to go. Alright? So don't mess with the air bags. Alright? They are trash. Why do they cost so much? I don't get it. Why do they cost so much? Piece of plastic on top, piece of plastic on the bottom, rubber around it, and wait till you see what's inside. If you don't know, if you've never done it, if you do know, don't spoil it. But if you don't know, watch this video. Yes, we're having a great time here. Truck's back in for another parasitic draw. It's at 0.26 amps it's drawing now from something else. Stepping on the brake pedal, I'm hearing a click inside that I've never heard before. Don't know where that's coming from. Don't know what the parasitic draw is. Have not looked at it. And then I got broken rear wiper blade that just broke out of nowhere. Still got the parasitic draw on the other one. I gotta find out. It's getting ridiculous. It's getting ridiculous. Fix one thing and 5 more things show up. So what I'm gonna do is say screw it. And let's do what I promised before. Let's find out what's inside this damn thing. Razor blade. It won't zoom in. Unbelievable. Won't zoom in. If I can raise that back up a bit. Now it's going to fall over. Let's see what we got. Why is it not cutting? There we go. go. Hello. Well, there's literally nothing in there. That's it. Nothing. Nothing in there. It literally just pumps air in here and blows it in here and inflates it. That's it. That is it. It's an empty bag. See, they call them air springs. I call them air bags. So I'm right. They're wrong. It's a bag. There's no air in it. You know what? This rubber is pretty strong. I might cut this all the way out and keep the rubber from both of these before I throw them away. Well, there you go. That's what's inside an air spring. A bag. An empty bag. That's it. So now you know what's in an air bag, not an air spring. Okay? There's no spring involved in it. There's no mechanics involved inside of it. There's nothing that moves inside. Nothing. It is an empty sack, an air bag. That is it. Okay? Why do they charge so much? What's the point? You know? And then they're going to make them with substandard rubber. Westar airbags / what they call them air springs are trash. I will never buy that product ever again. And you guys can go ahead and buy it if you want. Okay, go for it. Okay, enjoy it. Have a good time. Alright? I'm just going to tell you, nope. So Harbor Freight Tools, Westar, air suspensions, nope, ain't going to do it again. Ain't going to do it again. You know, fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, actually fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. I ain't doing it again. Never again. That's why I did the coil springs. Alright, now I went with the Suncor coil springs and shocks. So far so good. So far everything's alright. We'll see. They were just installed. I would have told you with the Westar airbags, you know, 3-4 years ago, hey, they work, great job, good thing, alright, amazing. Yeah, but not only, it only took about a year from the time that I put them in until they started sagging again, which meant they were leaking already, which meant they were already rotting within a year. Are you kidding me? You're going to put underneath of a vehicle that is in full force of all nature's elements underneath the vehicle, and you're going to build it with substandard product, substandard materials, and then expect people to buy from you again or give you credit for what you did. Westar air suspensions, you suck. Okay, I'm going to tell you that right now, you suck. Alright, because a year after they were installed, they started leaking. And I was like, okay, no problem, I'll just keep firing up the truck every half hour to lift the ass end back up again. And then, you know, and then it would sag back down, the compressor would kick in, you know, even with the power off, and raise it back up only a couple times. And then the truck sat there and said, we're not going to keep doing this. We're going to drain the battery before you need to use the truck again, because we have to keep kicking in the air compressor. So the truck actually stopped it after about an hour. It wouldn't do it anymore. It would not kick them back up again. It wouldn't kick the air compressor back in to build it back up again. So I knew that they were going bad. And that lasted another 2 years until it wouldn't come up anymore again. So Westar airbag suspension, you suck. I will never buy you again. Alright, I didn't get to try the Summit Racing Equipment airbags because I decided at that point I'm not doing it. I'm going Coil Springs. And I went Coil Springs. And so far, wow, amazing. The ass end is staying up. And great shocks, great ride, great everything, good to go so far. I have not evaluated everything down for 3-4 years later, but right now at this point, I'm okay with Suncor. I'm okay with Suncor. Westar? Never. Never again. It's not going to happen. But as you guys can see, there's nothing in there. There's nothing in there. Why do they cost so much? Why? There's no reason for it. Those things should be 20 bucks a piece, as far as I can see it. Plastic, plastic, and rubber. That's it. That's it. Okay? I could see if it was titanium or something like that, or some space-age metal, or some stealth aircraft product, or something like that. Yeah, then I would understand it. But you know what? They're screwing you. You're getting screwed by buying that stuff. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. Alright, my email, I'll probably put it in the bottom of one of these videos eventually, but it's Mr. Loadtech, MrLoadtech, okay? It's at Gmail. But go ahead and, if you got an issue or anything like that, if you're a Westar and you want to debate me on this, fine, please. I welcome it. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. Alright, bring it on. Shoot me an email. Shoot me an email. Alright, if you're Harbor Freight, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. Shoot me an email. I'd love to talk to you about your shit. Alright, okay, that's all I got to say on that stuff. Alright, but if you guys got questions, hey, email me, message me, you know, or just go ahead and comment. Talk to you later.